Igbo ndị ọma, ekene m unu. Nwanyị ọcha abịakwana ọzọ. I have a question. And please, you need to be honest with me. Where do you normally hang your pictures in your house? Very simple question. Please, just give me an honest answer. If you look at the wall where you're hanging your picture, is it in the middle? Is it below the middle? Or is it above the middle? Should I take a guess? It is above the middle, right? Anytime I enter a Nigerian home, I will recognize it, not by the furniture, not by the smell. Well, maybe the smell, depending on what they're cooking, but not generally saying I would recognize it by the smell. I will recognize it by the way they are hanging their pictures. In Switzerland, where I come from, we try to hang the picture on the level of your eyes, so that if you walk into a room and you look straight, you will see the picture. In Nigeria, however, and I know this is generalization, I'm fully aware that some people might do it the Swiss way, even in Nigeria, but 99% of the houses I have seen, if you walk in, you don't see the image, you have to look up. Because the image is basically almost touching the wall on top. It's really, I don't know, the whole sense of looking up to a picture is so strange to me. And it really makes me understand the tiny cultural differences that you are faced with when you're marrying a Nigerian as a non-Nigerian. Because these are the discussions that you will have with your partner when hanging a picture. So when I said to Ezengwa, let's hang the picture, and he was making the holes in the wall, he wanted to make the holes up, like on the roof. And I told him, no, we don't hang our pictures up there. You need to come down. Yes, where on eye level, where I can really see the images. And it was so funny because for him, it looked totally wrong to hang the images on eye level. For me, it looked totally wrong to hang the images up. So we kind of agreed to hang them somewhere in the middle, I guess. But I just thought it's so funny. And maybe next time you look around in your house, you can just check, am I right, am I wrong? Let me know. I have realized it on many occasions, even on Zoom calls, when taking a Zoom call with my work with an African person, you will just see their images are hung higher than the images of the white people. It's just so funny. But I'm not saying one is better, one is worse. I've just noticed that there's a difference, and I thought it would be fun to point it out. So tell me, where do you hang your images? I'm curious to know. Let me know and follow my channel, Wanyacha.